Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Naman Baby, and you are watching our cute little kittens exploring outside world. As you all know that we bring them outside every day. But we have a guest also today. That's the mama cat. She's watching us from distance. Hi, hi. The little kittens are learning to know the outside world, leaves, stones, and other playthings. I am playing here. Who will play with me? Hopping. You can hear the beautiful sound of birds in the background. We live amidst them, the chirping of birds. Hey, don't go that side. Uh-oh. That's not a plaything. Where are the others? Not so far. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a small video of our little kittens exploring outside world. They are little babies learning to walk and play. Will we again come with a video of our little kittens tomorrow? With this, I'm signing off. Bye bye. Keep watching Andaman Baby and keep loving us.